Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your April 2020 dollar bead bag and dollar bead box. So two separate subscriptions. I'm going to put the box aside. We'll get to that. We'll go through the bag. So this is the bead bag. It is $8 a month. You get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. And bead bag subscribers can reorder April items through May 2020 for $1 a strand. So very good, beautiful quality beads. I haven't seen any Czech fire polish beads for $1 a strand. And I think there are 50 beads per strand. So let's look at them. So here we go. We'll come in close. All right, so 3mm strands, tanzanite vitriol, and that's this one. So it's that purpley transparent color with a vitriol coating. So all different sort of metallic rainbow colors. That's really pretty. Beautiful. Love. Matte olive. And I love, I know I'm a broken record. I love all the different finishes, lusters, mattes, shiny, you name it. Getting quite a collection. This is a great way to build up your stash. Green with copper wash. So this is a super pale green with copper wash. So green and copper is such a great combination. Love. Beautiful. And then half metallic Lumi. That's this one. It's a beautiful aqua color. And it's half metallic and, half transparent. That is so pretty. Look at that. So, what a sparkle. So the 4mm strands, look at this. Half antique brass, half antique copper. My eye went right to that rosy one. So here's the brass and copper. Beautiful, love the metals together. So pretty. Look at the sparkle. Gorgeous. Sage green AB. Look at these great colors. I love these. They're such great colors for spring with the rosy colors and the greens. Love sage. Very sparkly, very beautiful. Green with copper wash. So here we have a green with copper wash in the 4mm as well as the 3, which I love. Because that's how I always purchase my beads. I purchase the same color in several different sizes and shapes. I love doing that. I love that copper on that. Look at that. It's so pretty. And this one, which I am crazy about, is dark raspberry copper. Love. I love anything with pink, raspberry colors, peaches with copper or gold accents. Love it. So this is raspberry with copper. I love that one. Look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. All right, so there's your dollar bead bag. I'm going to put these aside and I'll grab the box, take the contents out, and we'll go over those. Okay, time to look at the box. So here's the box. It is as low as $18.50 a month. Depends on your subscription. You can get free shipping. It just depends on how long your subscription is. So you need to just go to the website here. There's a link in the description box below the video as well. There's also a code for $2 off your first box, your first bag, or anything on their website, Bronze 2. So you use that code, you'll get that discount. So I've already taken everything out. I'm just going to move this. This is everything that's in the box. And just in all transparency, I did see what's in the box because, as usual, I can never do anything in one take, so I messed it up, so I had to put it all back and do it again. All right, so here's the letter. So it says, "Dear member, in this most unusual time, we hope you and your families are all doing well. We hope the coming spring will bring better news, brightened spirits, and happier days." Yeah, me too. So everyone here at the Dollar Bead Club is still working to make sure they can fulfill your beading needs. They're just saying that it's possible you also might have some delays, whereas, they're pretty much working as, normal, but there might be a delay now and again. All right, so enjoy and stay safe. Right back at you guys. So here's our list. Go through the strands first. So we have 4mm Czech glass pearl, purple velvet rainbow iris. We have 40 pieces. Just going to pull out just a little bit. Let me move these aside first. Okay, that's better. So 40 pieces, and this is a beautiful purple iris color. Really a nice sheen on it. It's got almost like a bluish, and then purple and, sort of like silvery. Gorgeous. Love. Czech glass tabular drop, 8 by 12 millimeter vitriol medium. Oh, that's this one. So this one was in a on a strand, and I freed them just because I just wanted to see how they looked. So I think we have these from another box. It might even be a very recent box, might even be last month, I'm not sure. These are so pretty. So silver on one side, it's a flat bead, and it's got that vitriol rainbow inside. Gorgeous. Love. There we go. And then we have Czech glass Drux, 4mm in Aqua AB. So these are a pretty aqua color. Oh, gorgeous. Look at the AB shimmer on them. And these are 35 pieces, 15 pieces here. And then 16 pieces of 8mm Czech glass melon beads, green with copper wash. So just like the bead bag, it's that green with the copper wash, and that's so pretty. Looks like somebody splattered copper paint on it. Love that combination. Okay, gorgeous. I just love the greens and the purples together. All right, so additional items. So we have 14 by 15mm Czech glass heads. These are, you get two of them. They're chakra colors with silver wash. I have the green. I don't know which chakra that is, but very cute. It's a matte green color, nice bright springy green color. Then we have a 36 by 45mm brass crescent moon, one piece, and this is a big, big piece, and it's a filigree piece. So for something like this, I would use that for bead embroidery, or you could use it as a necklace, but every time I see filigree like this and openings, I just see an opportunity to hang a crystal, just to take a little wire, a head pin, eye pin, and hang a little crystal from it. I think this would also make a great sun catcher. So, you can put a little star hanging here, a crystal on the bottom, hang it on your window. Love that. That is beautiful. And then we have 12 by 16mm Czech glass voodoo sugar skull, and these are beige opal with turquoise, 2 pieces. We have lots of these sugar skulls. These are cool. I have a lot of fun with these around Halloween. Okay, here we go, with the heads together. And we have 14mm Czech glass flower. And this is, where are you guys? Here we go. Pink opal with copper wash, and again, I love anything pink with copper or gold. So pretty. Gorgeous. And there are a couple of drops coming up that will make a perfect, use with this to make a perfect earring. Gorgeous. Love. 10 by 12mm Czech glass triple cut turbine bead. Purple moon glow. Get 2 of them. And I don't know if you can see this, but it's kind of green on either end, and that's purple, like this sort of beautiful, dreamy looking purple, misty looking purple around the center. Very nice. 9mm cord ends in antique copper, and this is perfect. I couldn't have done any better if I planned it myself, because my most recent video is of a tassel, and I use these cord ends, so, or bead caps, or whatever you want to call them, for the tassel. So all you do is you just make your tassel, whatever it's beaded or if it's metal, put it on, put a bead above it, you've got your tassel hanging out. What a great, I love these for tassels, so that's so perfect. 6 by 10mm Indian style cones. Again, we have some more tassel possibilities. And I like these for earrings because they're smaller. So that's very, so it's 6mm, so the opening is probably more like 3.5mm or something like that. So perfect for earrings, nicely etched. Very pretty. And then we have a jade hand-carved pendant. Oh, you're gonna love this. This is I think my favorite thing from the whole box. So this is I can't pronounce this. I don't think I'm even gonna try, but it's a jade hand-carved pendant. Size is gonna vary, but this is stunning. I would just put this on a brown leather cord, maybe bead a little peyote bail, and then put it on a cord, and I think that's all you need. This is going to be my summer go-to pendant. That's stunning. 8 by 12 millimeter Czech glass tabular oval in mint opal. These are such perfect beads. I love like all the different colored beads and all of these type of beads. They're so perfect for like for decorating a chain. So you know, you just put a eye pin on, add some chain, an eye pin, some beads, some chain, and it just makes, you can make such a beautiful chain with this, or even drops. Just, they're perfect for that. Whenever I need something to decorate a chain, or I need something decorative around a pendant, I always go to the dollar bead box and look and see what I have. And then we have 10 by 12 millimeter Baroque pearl in natural silver. So this is a natural pearl. I'm saying that's a freshwater pearl, I guess. It's beautiful. And a natural silver. Gorgeous. We have several of these now. They're so pretty. 10 by 20 millimeter Czech glass drop in pink opal. So these are the beads I was talking about to pair with the flower bead. So I would just make a little earring just like that. So again, I have my head pin out here. Here, grab a little, let's see, I got a little pearl sitting on my mat. And then, there we go. This guy, put an ear wire on it. I've got my spring earrings. How springy and nice is that? Such a pretty color. I love it. So there you go. So I think these are perfect too. We'll put these with that, with the two flower pieces. There we go. Love it. And then we have 8 millimeter Czech glass hexagon, pink opal with crystal. Get 8 pieces. And again, another great decorative bead to add to a chain, to add to a pendant. Beautiful. Love. And then we have pewter oval, 2 of them. Antique silver with double roses. So another sort of connector bead. Has etched roses, and it's etched on both sides. Beautiful. And then we have a pewter tabular round, and that is an abstract leopard. So here it's another metal bead, and it's sort of a leopard etching print on there. Gorgeous. Love it. These are so great. I love having all these little beads to, you know, for embellishing. They're perfect. All right, so there you go. There's our dollar bead box. This piece is just, it's a stunner. Let me grab the bag. So the bag item, so if you get both, these colors are so complementary. These are gorgeous. So here's the bag, here's the box. Check out the website. Links below, as I said. Don't forget the coupon. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have fun checking out the website, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.